I'm gonna put this board. I can't even get to the computer. Okay. If Spawn wants to load. Spawn. Thank you. Okay, this my hand. I think I'm gonna need my mouse right now. I hope you can see it. Anyways. Mix. Oh. Bam, 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 bam. Try to make a new world. I'm gonna do again. I'm gonna leave off. I'm gonna see what's on space stage. Trial stage. Let's just make a new world. Team Rocket is busting open yet! We're busting open. We're busting open. Herbert Carnivore. And it'd be Carnivore. Yeah, I don't want to do anything. Easy. Devaya. Can you see my hair? Devaya. No, I want it to be. Man 101. Cameraman 101. Cameraman 101. Well, that's my name. Do you know that? No, I guess my friend. Guess my guy. Yeah. This is my favorite part of the car. Okay. We're a little white blob. Okay. If you haven't played Spore, well, play it. It's a really cool game. I have no idea how much it is. But no. Oh, wait, that guy doesn't hurt you, I forgot. Get it. I'm pressing up. Oh. Please get it. Thank you. Please just level up quick. I want to get past this. This is the lame stage. I like the tribal stage, which is pretty fun. I think it is pretty awesome. Get the food. Okay. This video can't be too long. I've only been recording for 4 minutes. Yay! I'm a little biggie. Oh my god. For some reason, I don't have bigger names of that one. I remember names what type is called. Move it. Okay. I want my food. Ooh. Uh-oh. Run away! Why does that guy get eaten every time? Come here and play this game. That guy eats him. When you see a new part appear, swim over the token. The token? to collect it. Wow. Apparently I have tokens in the sand. I did not know that. Whatever I knew about s'more, I didn't know that. And I just get this one. I never knew that. I have a pointy thing. How do I mate? I forgot how I mate. Dang it, I don't think I can do. Oh yeah, right there. Oh, did I just mess up my camera? Okay, I think it's fine. Call mate. Where's my little mate? Oh, he's over there. Please don't get eaten. Where are you? Where is my date? Why is my date bigger than me? Why is my date bigger than me? Is that just a coincidence or something? Or is that just how life works? Can't stay still. Oh, you can't say bottom. Whatever helps that kid. Okay, there's a paintbrush. It's all creator. I'm gonna give you some spikes. Oh my god, he has real tiny spikes. And then he's gonna have spikes up. Dang it. How is 10 too expensive? Beady eye. Beady eye. Dun dun dun. I have a beady eye. What should I call my guy? Fish boy 101. Description. Blah 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 blah. Okay, comma. I don't care. Yeah, it says description and crap. Okay, so why is my camera weird? Okay, it's so shiny. Oh, come on. Please don't take me this long to pass the stage. I really want to do it in this video. I only have 3 minutes left. Jeez. Oh, I forgot to delete that. I'm not going off of YouTube. If you're worried about that. It's just like deleting off my camera roll, because if I delete off my camera, it won't get deleted on YouTube. I hope. Well, it actually doesn't, because I've done it before. Because I have so many from my old videos. Where's my mom? Don't just push me down like that, you absolute nerd. Yeah, I just got that from Kendra. Come here. Hey, are you really trying to steal my meal? Come back here. I know I'm slow. Get back here. Come here. You're gonna be my next meal. Please? Oh. I wanna eat that thing. It's not what I wanted to eat. I wanna eat that big thing in the background. I know you can, just not right now. Why can't I swim into the background? Horrible game. So parts 1 out of 6, I'm supposed to collect 6? How am I supposed to collect 6? I never noticed that mission. Now I'm gonna pop the bottles. Bubbles. How is meat surrounded in bubbles? You're underwater. Doesn't it just pop? It's not. Hey. Back away from my food! Okay, that's mine. And now please go. Oh, new part. You, sir, have a new part that I want. Now, give it. Now, give it. Thank you. No, no. Okay. Thank you for your delicious and nutritious part. It's very nutritious. I think I need like 20 to buy that thing, and I don't even have 20. So I'm eating this small crab. Just so it will go by even slower, apparently. I'm not trying to make it go by slower. My first episode of Spore, that's why I'm starting a new world. A whole new world. Sir, you have nothing I want, but I'm gonna eat you. Come here. Dude, that jet thing is really powerful. Thank you, sir. Please. Aww. Well, that's it for today's video. Like and subscribe.